My name's Cathy Kariuki. I'm here today to expand on my knowledge in becoming a better thought leader in the entrepreneurship ecosystem, and also to get better ideas on how to become a better communicator in assisting, what do you call them, our African small community groups. Because I find that they're not able to express themselves fully because of they lack the resources, and at the same time they're also not able to grow as much as they're supposed to, as much as they're also enterprises as well. So my expectations today is not only to gain some knowledge and skills, is also to connect better with the main facilitator, become a better mentor, and tap into the group that we're already forming right now, and see how we can create and be impactful in growing Africa better. The experience, wow, I think mind-blowing. I won't give it a percentage, I'll say mind-blowing, because one of the hardest jobs we have is thinking. So when we are told to now think, especially when you've come in for a workshop, which is very different, it takes out the lack of information you probably had, and now you start getting clarity on why you needed to actually attend and where you're going. Expectations were met in the sense that I was able to identify the name or the title of my idea. I was a scatterbrain, not being very sure of where I wanted to place myself in the journey I want to take. So now that has been defined for me for this. It's still a bit short in the sense that probably break it into phases. So this was probably phase 1, and maybe we have another phase 2, and then I think we can see where we go from there.